Hi, it's Fraser here from the Saucepan Kids.
Hi, I'm Anna from Saucepan Kids.
Hi, it's Ellen here from the Saucepan Kids.
Hi, it's Debbie here from Saucepan Kids, and we've just spent a glorious week in Camping Salatà in Roses in Costa Brava, and I have to say, I think it's probably the best campsite that we've ever stayed in as a family. I have to tell you about this campsite. It is a perfectly formed, small, self-contained, family-friendly campsite. The bungalow that we stayed in, the mobile home, was called the Tramontana bungalow, which they recommend comfortably sleeps 5, 2 bedrooms, a twin bedroom and a master bedroom, and a sofa in the living room that converts into a large double bed, and Fraser was very comfortable on that for the duration of our week here. The accommodation came with linens and towels, so we didn't need to worry about bringing any of that with us. The kitchen was fully equipped. It had a large fridge freezer, a microwave. There was no oven, but we didn't need it. No dishwasher, but that's fine. Gave the kids something to do while they were here.
Cooked dinner one of the nights. There was loads of things in the kitchen that I needed. There were tongs. The air conditioning worked, and it was really amazing as well. Like, you just came in from a hot day outside into the cool. It was lovely.
The real selling point for the Tramontana bungalow was the outside decking space. There was a full covered deck outside the bungalow, which meant that we could comfortably eat outside or read or play games any time of day, and we were never bothered by direct sun. Now, I have 3 teenagers, and I wondered whether or not there'd be enough for them to do in the campsite and the surrounding area, and I had nothing to worry about.
There's lots for teenagers to do in Camping Salatà. There's a big activities program like pools, football, stuff in the pool like aqua gym, all sorts of stuff.
Although the pool is not the largest pools that we've seen in campsites in the past, it's one of the most peaceful and enjoyable pools that the children have swam in, or so they tell me.
The pool was good. I mean, for such a small campsite, it was a lovely pool, and it wasn't that busy either.
The pool's quite small, but it's still lovely. There's a little kids one out the back, which is nice.
Shop is, well, when I say walking distance, I mean you could crawl there, it's so close. Quite like going to the shop in the morning, getting up, going down, getting your baguette, croissants, coming back, and then it's lovely.
There's a lovely on-site restaurant here in Camping Salatà.
I like the lounge area. There was a bar and you could order food. I had a big double burger bacon. Lovely. It was lovely. Yeah.
And a pizzeria as well. The pizzas are brilliant. If you come have one, you'll thank me. You'll know why. But what's really unique about Camping Salatà is they actually have an animation program for adults as well. So you can stay in Camping Salatà and do yoga, Pilates, wine tasting, with food demonstrations, aqua gym, you name it, you can do it here, and it's all included in your price at Camping Salatà. You don't have to pay extra for those activities.
There's a nice park down the back of the campsite with a football pitch and quite a few barbecues.
So really, you could come to Camping Salatà and not leave the campsite for the duration of your stay, but you'll want to, because there's so much to do in Roses and the Costa Brava itself. So there's a whole load of activities that you can partake in the area if you're here with teenagers. I think one of the favourite things that we did while we were here was a boat trip with Don Pacho, where we got a boat from the Santa Margherita harbour.
It took about half an hour. We went around the coast and then they supplied us with snorkeling gear and jumped off the boat. Great fun. Loads of fish, coral, the rocks are like stepping stones. It's great.
My favourite thing that we did was snorkeling. It was so much fun. There were so many fish, and The water was lovely and it was so clear. In the campsite, the whole family got bikes, and I spent lots of evenings going around the campsite with Fraser on the bike, and it was really good fun. It was lovely. There's no cars, they're all blocked off of the exit, so much safer.
Everyone's within cycling distance. We just cycled down the promenade, we were right in roses. Even though it was busy, there is cycle lanes, actual allocated cycle lanes, which makes it a lot easier.
Less than 5 minutes walk down the road near the beach, and it's a beautiful beach.
The promenade runs for miles and is very popular in high season, so expect the beach will be crowded, but not uncomfortably so. The beach can take it. There are extra things you can pay for in the evening here in Camping Salatà. For example, we went to visit the Salvador Dali Museum in Figueres, which is only about 20 minutes or so away. A guided tour picked us up from the campsite here at reception, took us to the museum, showed us around, and it cost €32 per head, which is great value.
I would definitely recommend this campsite for families with teenagers because there is so much to do.